Stop me if you've heard this one. You finally secured the bag. You worked your tail off, crushed your performance review, and landed that fat 10K raise. You're thinking, this is it. I'm finally rich. I'm basically the main character now. But then, 6 months later, you're checking your banking app on a Tuesday night, and you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Like how? Where did the bread go? Make it make sense. It's called lifestyle creep, and honestly, it's a total vibe killer. It's the silent assassin of your bank account. One day you're happy with the $2 brew from the corner shop, and the next you're dropping $7 on a venti quad shot oat milk whatever every single morning just because you can. In today's video, we're going deep into why your treat yourself energy is actually keeping you on a financial treadmill and how to stop being straight up delulu about your spending. Let's get into it. So what actually is lifestyle creep? In the finance world, we call it hedonic adaptation, but in real talk, it's when your wants start masquerading as needs. Remember when you were a student or in your first entry-level job? You were a pro and finding the best happy hour deals. You shared a flat with 3 people and a big night out was a cheap pizza and a few pints, or a bottle of mid-tier wine, and you were fine. But then the income goes up. Suddenly, you need the premium gym membership because the basic one is too crowded. You need to Uber everywhere because the tube or the subway is too much effort. The trap, you think you're upgrading your life, but you're actually just increasing your burn rate. If every time your salary jumps by $500, your rent and car payment also jump by $500, you haven't actually gained any wealth. You've just changed the scenery of your struggle. No cap. Let's be real. Social media is the gasoline on the fire of lifestyle creep. We're constantly bombarded with people living their best life in Bali or driving cars that cost more than a house. You feel like you deserve a little flex because you're working hard. But here's the tea. That new car note, it's literally ghosting your savings account before the month even starts. Most people you see flexing on the gram are actually drowning in debt. They have the aesthetic, but they don't have the assets. In Europe, there's this pressure to always be on holiday. In the US, it's about the latest tech and big houses. We're spending money we haven't earned yet to impress people we don't even like. That's low-key embarrassing, don't you think? So how do we fix this without living like a monk? It's about being clutch with your decisions. The 24-hour rule. See a pair of sneakers or a new gadget you need? Wait 24 hours. If the hype dies down, it was just an impulse. The old salary challenge. When you get a raise, keep living on your old salary for at least 6 months. Take that extra bread and automate it straight into an investment account or a high-yield savings. If you don't see it in your checking account, you won't spend it. Audit your subscriptions. You'd be surprised how much leakage you have. Netflix, Spotify, gym, cloud storage, that random app you used once, it's all adding up. If you aren't using it weekly, yeet it out of your budget. The goal isn't to be cheap. The goal is to be financially free. Real living large isn't about the designer logo on your chest. It's about the peace of mind that you could quit your job tomorrow and be totally fine. Next time you get a few extra $100, do not upgrade your life immediately. Invest it. Buy back your time, not more stuff. Your future self will thank you for not being a lifestyle victim. Look, we all love a good treat yourself moment, but don't let your raises disappear into thin air. Build a life that actually feels good, not just one that looks good in a TikTok transition. If you're ready to stop the creep and actually keep your money, smash that like button and hit follow/subscribe. We're building wealth and keeping it real. Comment "no more creep" below if you're saving your next raise. Catch you in the next one. Stay woke, stay wealthy.